Math? This should be a piece of cake for me. I love math so much. Let's see, what do we have here? Oh, arithmetic sequence? Easy. I'm so excited to solve this problem. See, this is so easy, like. Wait. What is this? I don't understand. How am I gonna solve this? I guess I'll just sleep for a while. The answers will come to me later. No doubt of it.
Find the mathematician inside of you. Find the mathematician inside of you.
Oh wow, that was such a weird dream. Well, I should probably get to answering this problem again, even though I have no clue on how to answer this thing. Let's see, maybe I can answer this now. Just needed a good rest. X plus 2 to x minus 1, find a sub 18. I still don't understand it. How? Wait. About that dream. A man said to me that I should find the mathematician inside of me. How am I gonna do that? Oh, I'm gonna search the internet for answers. Let's go! Okay. Scroll. I hope we see something useful. Wait, let me search again. Of me. I don't see anything useful. What should I do? Whatever. I'll just talk to my friend. Maybe he can help me. Okay, let's answer this. First, we must list down the given. An arithmetic sequence requires a common difference in order to be solved. But is the common difference given? No. So, we must subtract the first term from the second term. The common difference never changes throughout the sequence. Based on that, we can safely say that a sub 2 minus a sub 1 is equal to a sub 3 minus a sub 2. Let's view the problem. Now, we list down the given values. How can we find the difference? As I have said earlier, the common difference never changes throughout the sequence, and we must subtract consecutive values. So, we came up with this formula. Next, we substitute the given values to the formula. Now, let's solve for the value of x. Divide both sides by -2. And the value of x is -3.5. Now, we have to find the value of a sub 1 and a sub 2. We will substitute x with -3.5. Negative 3.5 plus 2 is negative 1.5. We'll do the same for a sub 2. Now that we know the values of a sub 1 and a sub 2, we can now subtract a sub 1 from a sub 2. Now, we have our common difference. Since we have everything ready, we can now write the formula. A sub n will be a sub 18 because we're looking for the 18th term. A sub 1 will become negative 1.5 because that's what we solved, and the difference is negative 6.5. Now, we're just gonna solve this to get the 18th term. The final answer is negative 112. Great! We answered the first question, but I prepared more problems for us to solve, so we can hone our math skills together. Ready? Let's answer this one together. Using the sequence that we solved earlier, find S sub 25. Given. First, let's see the formula to solve for the arithmetic series. S sub n equals n divided by 2 times a sub 1 plus a sub n. Since we're looking for S sub 25, our n will be 25. The value of a sub n is not yet given, so we must find it. To get a sub 25, we will use the formula for arithmetic sequence. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. We will solve this using the given. Now we have our a sub 25, negative 157.5. Now we can find S sub 25. Let's take the formula and use the given values and the values that we solved for. 25 divided by 2 is 12.5. Negative 1.5 plus negative 157.5 is negative 159. If you multiply those two, the answer will be negative 1987.5. That is our final answer. On to the next problem. This time, we are going to be dealing with arithmetic means. We are just gonna apply what we learned from arithmetic sequence to solve this problem. Let's go! Find 5 arithmetic means between negative 7 and 11. Before we can solve anything, we must determine the number of terms in this sequence. The problem tells us to find 5 arithmetic means. The first term is negative 7, while the last term is 11. Based on that, we can say that there are 7 terms in the sequence. Here is the sequence. Let's use the formula for arithmetic sequence. A sub n equals a sub 1 plus n minus 1 times the common difference. We will use whatever values we have. A sub 7 is 11, while a sub 1 is negative 7, and we will leave d as it is because it is unknown. Now, we will use the addition property of equality to isolate 6d. Then, divide both sides by 6. The value of our common difference is 3. Now that we know the common difference, we can now find the arithmetic means. Negative 7 plus 3 equals negative 4. We will put that in the first blank. Negative 4 plus 3 is equal to negative 1. We will put it in the next blank. Just repeat the process until we fill in all the blanks. The answers are -4, -1, 2, 5, and 8. It's time for us to apply what we learned in a word problem. Let's try and solve this problem that I prepared. Hey everyone, this is Appa, the flying bison. Appa flies at a speed of 20 kilometers per minute at 1 p.m. If Appa increases his speed by 5 kilometers per minute every minute, what time will it be when Appa reaches a speed of 245 kilometers per minute? What formula should we use? Try to figure it out. I'll give you a few seconds. If your answer is the formula for arithmetic sequence, you're correct. Let's analyze this problem. Appa's initial speed is 20 kilometers per minute. We will use this as our a sub 1. Let's keep in mind that this is his speed at 1 p.m. Appa's final speed is 245 kilometers per minute. We will use this as our a sub n. The common difference is 5 because Appa increases his speed by 5 kilometers per minute every minute. Let's solve. First, let's write down the formula. Next, we will insert our given into the formula. We'll distribute 5 into n minus 1. Use the addition property of equality to isolate 5n. Divide both sides by 5 to get the value of n. N is equal to 46. Since n is equal to 46, we can say that a sub n is equal to a sub 46. 245 kilometers per minute is equal to a sub 46. If a sub 1 corresponds to 1 p.m., then a sub 46 corresponds to 1:45 p.m. Appa will reach a speed of 245 kilometers per minute at 1:45 p.m. Now, try to answer this on your own. Wow, I learned a lot today. I'm so glad that Alan's my friend. Math can be fun. Math can be easy. We just have to work really hard. All of you watching, I hope you learned a lot today, just like me. And remember, math can be fun. Thank you.